News Summary Reading 14th May 2020 for week 10th to 16th May by Valerie Shang. The following essay is written by Valerie Shang and it is serving as a summary for article titled Fewer Accidents as Roads Are More Free-Flowing Now by Christopher Tan, dated 14th May 2020 Straits Time. And the second article named Less Air Pollution Due to Coronavirus Lockdowns Means Thousands of Fewer Deaths Research, dated 30th April 2020 Straits Time. Sentences are taken out from the original news article as references to this essay. For those references used, Valerie Shang gives full credit to their original creators. Due to the recent lockdown in Singapore, the roads in Singapore are significantly more free-flowing and safer than before. However, the number of speeding cases and breakdown has climbed. Singapore Land Transport Authority reported that the traffic volume has shrunk by 60% on average since the outbreak, which means we have only 4 million trips made every day now compared to 10 million trips as before. As a result, number of accident cases reported has decreased as well. The traffic police shared with the author that accidents reported have fallen by 40% since the circuit breaker measures kicked in. In calculation, it means a significant drop, from 7,000 to 8,000 cases on average per year to 4,000 to 5,000 cases at the current being. However, the number of speeding cases have remained quite consistent compared with the pre-circuit breaker period, which is about 15,000 cases per month last year. The number of breakdown cases have remained quite consistent as well, with a little rise in fact. The Automobile Association of Singapore, AAS, witnessed a 9% rise in road assistance last month compared to April last year. This is mainly due to the non-usage of cars, older cars, and more camera installed in cars. With less frequency of usage of vehicle during the circuit breaker, engines are not charged on time and batteries are continuously draining while time passes. This is the main reason for breakdown of vehicle on road. To prevent breakdown from happening while driving, experts advise the vehicle owners to start up a car at least once a week to make sure the batteries in the engines are charged regularly. Some interviewees from the report stated that with less traffic on the road, driving is much faster, the roads are suddenly wider, the air is definitely cleaner, which is good for the environment. In many other countries, similar situation is happening. In Europe, 11,000 fewer deaths is reported compared to the same period last year due to a sharp drop in fossil fuel pollution. Whereas in China, for example, pollution level declined by 25 to 40% during the most stringent period of lockdown, with an even sharper fall in Hubei province. According to the article, compared to other causes of death, air pollution worldwide kills 19 times more people each year than malaria, 9 times more than HIV/AIDS, and 3 times more than alcohol. Hence, air pollution is one of the top killers for people around the world. Despite lockdown brings inconvenience and restriction to most of us, but the positive side is it brings accident numbers down as well as the air pollution level. Because of so, don't we really need to start pondering what can we do to keep this positive impact beyond the lockdown period? What do you think?